Students, now I am going to discuss the exercise 8.1. Question number A. Draw the hands on the clock to show the time written below. In this question, some clock faces are shown and times are written below them. We are asked to draw the hands on the clock as per the time shown below. Now look at the first clock face. Here the time is written 1 o'clock. Now this time is given in full hours, right? And we have already seen how to show the time in full hour. To show the time in full hour, we have to draw the minute hand on 12. Hence, to show 1 o'clock, I am going to draw the minute hand on 12 and hour hand on 1. So it's a 1 o'clock now. Now coming to the second clock face, the time is written 12 o'clock. To show the time 12, I am going to draw the minute hand on 12 and hour hand will also come on 12. So it's a 12 o'clock now. Now look at the third clock face. The time is written 9:30. Here the time is given in half hour, right? And to show the time in half hour, we draw the minute hand on 6. Hence to show 9:30, I am going to draw the minute hand on 6 and hour hand will come in between 9 and 10. So it's a 9:30 now. Now coming to the fourth clock face. Here the time is written 12:30, right? To show 12:30, we have to draw the minute hand on 6 and hour hand will come in between 12 and 1. So it's a 12:30. Likewise, you can show the hands on the clock as per the given time. Now coming to the question number B. Read the time. Draw the hands to show the time 1 hour later. Here you can see there are two clock faces. In the first clock face, the time is already shown and we are asked to draw the hands to show the time 1 hour later. Now, children, can you tell me what time is it in the first clock face? Yes, it's a 5:30. And 1 hour later, the time will be 6:30, right? So here in the second clock face, we are asked to draw the hand to show the time 6:30. So how will you show it? See here. To show 6:30, we have to draw the minute hand on 6 and our hand will come in between 6 and 7. So it's a 6:30. Now look at the second clock face. Here the time is shown in the first clock face is 9:30. Right? Because the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is in between 9 and 10. Then what will be the time 1 hour later? The time will be 10:30. Right? So let's see how to show 10:30. To show 10:30, we have to draw the minute hand on 6 and hour hand will come in between 10 and 11. So it's a 10:30.